respect to impeachment. So, let's proceed with the trial.
Thank you, Mr. President. I will now call on the prosecution for the continuation of the presentation of evidence.
Your Honor, our witness for today is the continuation of the testimony of the BPI branch manager, Ayala branch, Miss Leonora Dizon, but we were informed that she already gave birth. But they sent a representative to attend today's hearing, and may we call on the secretary of the Secretariat of the Impeachment Tribunal.
The subpoena was directed to Ms. Dizon, not a representative.
So we just received information. We just want to confirm that. So we call on Ms. Leonora Dizon, Your Honor.
Besides, with the kind permission of the Honorable Court, I think we argued on this issue very lengthily yesterday, Your Honor, that both the prosecution and the defense are true. First, the prosecution with direct examination, the defense with their cross-examination. And this is practically a recall of this witness. And in accordance with the rules of court, this must bear the authority or the imprimatur of the court involved, Your Honor. We have not seen, much less be served with any motion for the recall of this witness, stating the purpose therefore, and why is there a necessity of the recall of this witness. So this is practically a violation of the rule on procedure and evidence, Your Honor. And we cannot affix our stamp of approval or concurrence to this kind of illegality or infirmity of a judicial proceeding, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if I may say something, Your Honor, please.
Just a minute to cut short the discussion, this extended discussion between the prosecution and the
Depends.
defense. This witness was called here under a subpoena issued by this court because of an interest on the part of a member of this court to ask question from that witness. And it's up to you. But when that witness is placed on the witness stand, if you want to ask question or on the witness or not, but at that point you have to identify whether in asking the question that you admit that that witness is your witness while you're asking the question.
If Your Honor, please, with the kind indulgence of the Honorable Court, yesterday the Honorable Senator Judge Osmeña, Your Honor, conducted direct examination of this witness, and he was true, Your Honor.
But there was also just a minute, counsel, there is a pending desire on the part of the gentleman from Iloilo to propound question to that witness. Only that yesterday, the gentleman from Iloilo, from my recollection, gave the floor to the gentleman from Cebu.
So this will be clarificatory questions, Your Honor, on the part of the Honorable Senator Dillon.
Correct.
Then I yield, Your Honor, and I willingly accept the explanation of the presiding officer. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. President,
What's the pleasure of the gentleman from Iloilo?
you know, this was debated at length yesterday, and I thought we have settled this. And let me read again the transcript of the journal of the session 2 days ago. On top, first, the page 61 of the journal clearly specified the cross-examination done by counsel, Attorney Cuevas, who inquired into these monthly statements. Siya po, si Attorney Cuevas po, ang nagtanong ng monthly statement. At si Attorney Cuevas din po ang humingi nito mga dokumentong ito. At kaya po kami, bilang mga senator, mga judges, sinabi natin, pwede ho ba tingnan din ito? At nakalagay po sa transcript, Mr. Cuevas says, in view of the answer of the witness, Your Honor, may we respectfully request that the statements of account covering the periods 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010 be produced by the witness at the most convenient time, considering her condition now. Our purpose, Your Honor, is to show that this figure is not made in one single deposit and one single withdrawal, Your Honor. And the presiding officer ruled, all right, so the witness is instructed by this court or ordered by this court to produce the documents that the defense counsel requested. Mr. President, as you just stated a while ago, the client is bound by the mistakes of his counsel. And the counsel asked for these documents. And it is the court who ordered that these documents.
If we will be allowed.
Anyway, gentlemen, bear with me. We have settled this already. The witness was subpoenaed by this court to satisfy the request of members of this court to ask questions from the witness. So, if there's no more member of this court to ask any question on that witness, what's the pleasure of the court? Is the gentleman from Iloilo finished?
The documents have not yet been produced, Mr. President.
Yeah, but I'm not asking. I'm sorry, Your Honor. May I ask permission
the court
to?
already,
May-
Mr. President,
may I
I
ask
still have the floor.
The trouble is I cannot argue
Well-
because the rules prohibit, Your Honor. But that is not an accurate statement, Your Honor.
Wait a minute. My gentleman from Iloilo, my question is, are you true in asking question from the witness? If not, then I will ask the witness to come to the witness stand.
We are not through, Your Honor,
All right.
because the documents have not yet been produced.
All right, let the witness come to this to the plenary session. Take the witness stand under the same oath to be questioned by the members who desire to ask questions from her.
May we request for the indulgence of the Honorable Court, Your Honor?
Proceed.
When we made the statement to the effect that we wanted the production of the monthly statement of accounts, Your Honor, that was our that is our course of action, Your Honor, or move on the part of the defense to show to the Honorable Court that there was it was the 14 million stated in the statement of account is not on a single occasion. We have at that time not conferred with this matter with the Chief Justice. When we were assured that we have the documents involving, we made the withdrawal, Your Honor. Why will we be compelled merely by the manifestation of a member of this court to produce the same?
We will take your manifestation into account when we consider this case finally.
Okay,
Mr. Counsel.
all right. Willing, at the discretion of this court. Anyway, we have filed a motion to that effect, a written pleading, Your Honor, stating why we are already abandoning our plea for the examination of this of the court records, of the bank records, because we have what we wanted to. Why shall we be compelled to continue with our examination of the alleged statement of accounts, Your Honor? That we only place that on record so that we will not be precluded in the future if it is necessary for us to make any definite and categorical explanation on the matter. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's proceed with, where's the witness?
Nanganak na rin ata. Di ba? Wala akong kasalanan doon, ha?
Where's the witness?
Eh, ha? Andiyan na? Nanganak na rin. Iba na. Diba? Hindi. Sinabi ng mga husgado, dapat yung, hindi yung not a substitute. Siya mismo.
Wala. Ha? She gave birth? Well,
Sinasabi ng
there's a force majeure for the appearance of the witness.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am Rosario Jurado Benedicto. Our witness from Bank of the Philippine Islands has given birth, so we looked for another representative, She's on the way. She gave birth early this morning, 7:45. So, naghanap kami ng substitute representative. So, she's on the way. But she's not giving birth.
Just a minute.
She's on the way to this court. Okay.
Okay, just a minute. Would the requesting members of the court be satisfied in dealing with a substitute witness?
Yes, Your Honor, if I may respond, yes, because all that we're interested in are the records to be brought here, and if the witness can attest to the fact that he or she is in official custody of the records and can testify on the same, we were willing to listen to this witness. In fact, yesterday we anticipated this happy event, and we said that if the witness cannot come back, a substitute bank officer can come around and bring these records and testify before this court.
Yes, Your Honor, which we did. But maybe be clarified, sir.
Just a minute. Do you have the witness now or on the way?
On the way.